Yana.
Too much, too much.
What are you doing in my son's house?
No, I came to supervise to know how the work is going now.
You supervise the house
Yes, your son is doing very wonderful work here.
with pot of charm.
No, this is not charm.
Okay, now call him near about pot of charm.
It's not charm.
What is it?
Eh?
So you came to bury charm in my son's house?
Eh?
Jesus!
Evil man.
Jesus!
So you want to fly now?
No.
Sorry. Sorry. You go must hear this. Sorry. Oh no, be now. Gently, quietly. Calm down. Calm down.
Run!
Game over.
My leg. My leg. Hey, somebody help.
Photo! 70 years old man.
Game over.
Jesus!
Uncle, so is you, evil man. Huh? This evil man again.
Jesus.
Huh?
Now lie. Run!
Game over.
It's me. It's you. It's me. This evil man. It's me.
Jesus!
You can wish.
That's what I do for you.
You can wish.
Now lie.
In my own compound,
I'm telling you.
wait for my return.
Run!
Jesus.
You can wish.
Oh, boo-boo. The sacrifice is ready.
Jesus.
See, you have luck that thing did not meet you. This boy, you get luck that thing not meet you. You were luck. You have luck. See this useless boy. You're stressing somebody up and down. Hey, brother. Thank you, oh. Thank you. Allah will